This 2022 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 39 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 7, Colorado detector, refrigerator, oven, smoke detector, external shower, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, LP detector, stove-top burner, TV, and 115 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, raised patio, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350G is 12,950 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.